welcome back to my channel and to another video. I'm Joy and I make sewing tutorials, creative upcycling videos and anything that makes clothing on a budget. Today's video I'm going back to the basics where I started everything, and this is a thrift flip. I have an event that is coming up and I do not have a dress, but I thrifted this beautiful sequin trouser and I wanted to turn it into a dress. Now I have so much fabric to work with given that it's really long. Once I wear it, it goes past my ankle and all that, and it also has a lining on the inside. It has an elastic band that I'm not going to be using, and I love how it looks. Now so let's get onto the table and cut this up so that we have two different pieces of fabric.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time.
So I have cut out both pieces so that they are total rectangles. So as you can see, this is a rectangle and this is a rectangle as well. This is going to be the back. This is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. So I have not figured out, sorry, this is going to be the back, this is going to be the front. I have not figured out the whole situation up here, so for now I'm going to be sewing the side seams, and since it's sleeveless I'm just going to be stitching all the way from the top to the bottom and on this other side as well. So I'm still thinking of a side slit, not sure if I can do a back slit at this point, but I'm going to do a side slit. So on one side, given that this is the back, this is the side that is going to have the slit, so I'm going to get to this point so that I can finish the slit on its own. So let me do that.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with,
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, you caught my eye. Whatever, should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same.
So this is the dress. So far so good. I have the side seams done and I have the slit made. So I want to try this on so that I can see how much I need to take in at the waist, and then I can come back and deal with all this, because we can all see how this area looks, and then I can figure out the top part. This is where we're at. I do not hate it actually, but there's some adjustments I need to make. For example, this slit, I need it to be like right here. Yeah, I need it to be like right here, and then I need from like right here, I need to take it in a lot, like a lot, so that this part fits like that snug, because I will not be wearing a bra. I want it to fit like that snug, but the overall fit, I think it will not look that washed out.
In the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You won't pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life, the next one again.
And my dress actually fits. Let me try it on without the bra and we can see how I actually look, and I try and style it. This is what I've settled on. Let me know what you think. Now it's time to look for the shoes that I'm going to be wearing. But yeah, this is the final dress. I really do love it, and I'm going to style it, do some makeup, do my hair, and it's going to look
got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your wage? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we better get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out.